One really important part of the River District is fitness. And so we're here at the Brick talking to Adam. Adam, how did the Brick get started?
So that's a good question. In 2010, I was on my way to Raleigh to basically pick up a pair of running shoes. I was always out of town for my particular sports, buying different things that we needed for triathlon. And so I was coming back from Raleigh with the shoes in the passenger seat, realizing that I had to cancel some dinner plans. And in bumper to bumper traffic, I started thinking to myself, how many other people do the same thing? That was in 2010. After scribbling some ideas on some napkins in the local Red Lobster, we opened in 2012.
Well, with all the stuff that Danville does, in fitness, it's great to have a store here that they can come to and get the stuff that they need, especially for like triathlons and things like that. And you have a bunch of different shoes here, and you have a system to kind of show people what shoes that they need too.
Yeah, that's correct. So, we try to be more specific we cater to walkers, runners, triathletes, swimmers. We do a lot with injury prevention. And yeah, so we use the gait analysis software system to help us do a proper fit the first time.
And how does that kind of work?
So what we do is the gait analysis is simply nothing more than to have a customer get on the treadmill, run from 30 to 60 seconds. What we do is we take that high definition camera, slow it down to a 10% playback speed, look at points of impact, pronation issues, alignment issues. Based on that analysis, we're able to come over to the wall. You'll see neutral, stability, and so forth, and kind of pick the category that best fits you.
And you did mention that it also helps with injury prevention too, because you work with some of the local doctors here and physical therapists. So if you need a shoe that's going to help you kind of recover faster, you can get that here too.
Yeah, absolutely. So we've been real fortunate. Some of the podiatrists, physical therapists, orthopedic surgeon here in town, they'll send some of their patients in, and we help kind of with the injury prevention. People come in with a variety of different foot-related issues based upon insoles, inserts, shoes, and so forth. We're able to help maybe relieve the pain.
One thing you mentioned was going all the way to Cary, North Carolina for shoes. So that's a far way to go just for shoes. And you do a lot of stuff out of town, and a lot of people in Danville go out of town to participate in events. So you have a program here where they can rent things.
Yeah, so we do, of course, we do a wetsuit rental program. People that are on the fence about triathlon, it can be a very expensive sport when you're training for 3 disciplines. And so one of them being the wetsuit, that's about a $300 to $1,000 investment. What we do is we rent them to make sure, one, you can get through your sport. 2, to make sure you want to continue the sport without putting in that money or making that big investment.
That's a really nice opportunity for people. And one thing that you guys do as well is you do stuff in the community that's free, and, clinics to teach people how to run better and things like that.
Yeah, so every Tuesday we do community or group trail runs that lead from Anglers Park in a variety of distances on the off-road mountain bike trails, really exposing Virginia's #1 trail system. Thursday nights we meet here at 6. We leave at 6:15. It's open invitation. There's no RSVP. We run distances from 3 to 5 miles. We run through the city. We run through the Riverwalk Trail. Just really, we get out and run. And then on Sundays we leave from the JTI Fountain, and we do what we call our long group runs. It's about an 8 to 10 mile run for people training for half marathons or marathons. And then also we do a Tuesday night master swim class at the New Y. We've been really excited about that. That's been going for about a year, where we help people build endurance, speed, and technique work.
This is a great way to get fit and get all the stuff you need to get fit. And speaking of running, the half marathon's coming up. So people need recovery after that, and you guys have stuff here to recover too.
Yeah, exactly. We have a full line of hydration, nutritional supplements that are kind of gluten-free, dairy-free, that really will help people not bonk, so to speak, and help with cramps, help to push them over the finish line.
So what's your favorite part about opening up this business here in Danville and working at the Brick?
The thing that I've liked the most is the relationships that we've built, the people that we've met, the inspirational stories that come in the door. It's not about running the, let's say, Boston Marathon. It's about the people that come in that have lost 70 pounds on their own, portion control, went out, slowly doing it while raising families, priorities, obligations, and so forth. We've been able to just really see some really inspirational stories, meet some great people in the local area.
And another great thing about the Brick is they also make custom insoles for people who have jobs where they're constantly on their feet. If you want to give them a call, 434-799-5957. You can look them up on Facebook or go to thebrickva.com.